guys, it's me, your host from Gaming and Websites, and as you know, so for some for quite some time we have been, you know, uh, we have we had not posted enough videos. So I am here to, give more information. So yeah, today I'm going to talk about a game that's called World Cricket Championship 2. So I think pretty much every South Asian or cricket playing nations have heard about this game, as it won the 2015 People's Choice Best Game Award. So uh, as you heard, that is a mobile game. Yep. So everybody knows that's a mobile game. But today I am bringing you a very cool thing, due to which you can play this game in your Windows and without BlueStacks. So let's get started without further ado. So as you can see, I am already in my Windows. Yep. So this is my home screen. You can see this is my. So I'll refresh. Yep. I'll refresh this page. So yep. So as you can see, so it's very simple trick, and it's very easy. So I have already downloaded World Cricket Championship in my PC. As you can, I'll show you it. Yep. I'll show you. You can see World Cricket Championship 2. You can see, see here, it's World Cricket Championship 2. Already I have already downloaded. So I'll teach you how to download this game in your Windows. So without any further ado, let's start. So first what you have to do is, you have to find Microsoft Store. So you can see I have already it's pinned in my taskbar. So you can find it here, or another simple way is, you could go here and it should be here in Explore first. So if you don't have there also, then what you can do is go search for Microsoft Store. Here you can see Microsoft Store. So you can do that. It's easy. So what you have to do is open Microsoft Store. Yep. Here you can see I am opening my Microsoft Store. It will open, and I think you might have many questions in your head, saying I don't have a Microsoft account, or you know such things. So no need to be worried. As you can see, I have Microsoft account, but I am showing you without signing in through my Microsoft account. So as you can see, you are here in Microsoft website, official website, not website, Microsoft Store. So here are many games that you can download or play. So you just need to, no need to you can search here WCC2. You just have to write this much. No need to write full name, World Cricket Championship. That's no, it's all available on PC. It will show. Try again different way of seeing. So I think there's some problem. So if you didn't find game searching with WCC2, no problem. I have another. Go down. It is always in favorite apps and games, or it's also available on most popular games. There's Messenger, but I haven't downloaded it yet. So it's here it isn't. You just have to show all 99. So you just have to click there, then it will automatically give you. So here it is. You just have to click that World Cricket Championship 2, then it will load another page. of World Cricket Championship in there. So as you can see, I have already installed. Here it is shown that you own this game. You can see here I have already installed it. Yep, yeah, the product is installed. Play, and you can see here it's installed in my device. I have already pinned to start. You can directly do from here. So what it's here, you know. So I have installed, but when you first open World Cricket Championship, so the first thing it will show is, I'll show you another. So I don't have this, I don't know what's this. Let's go for Froza Street. So I don't have Froza Street in my. So when you'll open Cricket World Cricket Championship 2, the first interface will be like this, as you can see. So it will be like this. Here it will be, instead of Froza Street there will be World Cricket Championship. Then here it is, you just have to check it's free, and it's completely free because I haven't signed in through my Microsoft account and I haven't paid a single penny for that game. So you can either add to cart or you can just press get. So if you press get, then it will directly download and install automatically. So if you want to directly download and play, then you have to click here. But if you want to download and launch, only launch, yeah, launching and playing is two different things. So it will launch itself and it will start itself in your computer. So like that you can get. So I'll show you W Cricket Championship. So this is the app that I got. I have already, and it works smoothly. Okay, so I'll show you the gameplay of World Cricket Championship in my PC in next video. So how many of you are excited? So yeah, so as you can see, it is the winner game of the year 2050 People Choice, as I already mentioned in before in this video. So I can play, but I won't play. And here you can see its overview. Here are many games, and it's, as you can see, available on PC and mobile device. But it's, so we are in PC, so you just have to check this one. It's available on PC, and if you think it might work or not, just you have to go see system requirements. So here it is. It's 8.1 into 86 integrated touch mobile input not specified. So it's minimum that you require, and this is recommended. So it need Windows 8.1. I have Windows 10. So yeah, so I can play it. So guys, that's all for now. I have showed you how to download World Cricket Championship 2 in your PC, and next video will be about about the gameplay of World Cricket Championship in your PC. So don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and hit that bell icon. So yeah, so for today it's that much, guys. So hope you will subscribe our channel and push that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos in upcoming years. So bye guys, have a great day, and hope to see you again in our next video. So okay, bye guys.